Good morning, y'all. This is Greg Flores, founder of Soul Solutions. I just wanted to take a minute and introduce myself and our company, Soul Solutions. We've been servicing Dallas-Fort Worth for over 5 years now, and we have thousands of happy customers. We're proud, as of last year, we became one of a handful of Pella certified contractors serving this marketplace, and we offer their entire product lines. That gives us the capability of offering wood and fiberglass window and patio door units, also with some pretty intricate divided light patterns. We've been with the Don Young Window and Door Company since the inception, and we're very proud of this partnership, and they make a tremendous vinyl window as well as an exceptional patio door. We also offer 5 and 6 inch rain gutters, and recently this year we began offering half round gutter systems. If you have any questions or need an estimate, please visit our website at ntxsol.com, or you can reach us on the phone at 469-708-8151. This is Greg Flores, founder of Soul Solutions. Thank you.